Guys, so, oh my god, the camera's falling. Okay. Hey guys, it's Kawaii Lifestyle, and I'm collabing with HOLA Beloved and you know that we share this channel. But yeah, I have to put the credit in the description because we really didn't listen to what we were trying to put on the squishy tag. But yeah, let's get on with the video. So this tag is squishy tag.
No, is this or that squishy tag?
Oh, this or that squishy tag is what I'm doing today. So yeah, question. Okay, so the first question. Oh, by the way, if you hear noises in the background, like people talking, we're collabing this video, so you may hear HOLA Beloved, like he's right over there. The first question is, who are character squishy? Yeah. So the character squishy is the fair school with the long.
Daisy, I caught the wrong one.
So yeah. Then food squishy is cool. Is it a really? Yes, really cute. Yes, really cute cake girl. I had that right. Yeah. The next question is Hello Kitty or really cute? I'm doing both. Hello Kitty.
You're supposed to choose them. You realize that, right?
Where's my Hello Kitty?
You're supposed to choose between.
Where's my Hello Kitty? Hello Kitty or really cute?
Cake one.
Hello Kitty and yeah. So this is my really cute donut. And this is my cafe cup mocha Hello Kitty thing. Yeah. Oh my god, it went on the packaging. Okay, next question is Bretto or I am Tokyo. So my Bretto and then my I am Tokyo goldfish. And then this Bretto.
The next question is Bretto
defective.
I am a Tokyo.
So the next thing is if it smells or not.
Oh, I remember. I chose it.
Smell or what did I choose? Oh yeah, this one.
So next,
Yes, the thing that doesn't smell is this really with chocolate.
The next question is smell or no?
And then this one smells and it apparently says do not eat this. It actually says do not eat. And it smells like those gummies.
The next question is smell or
The next question is tiny or big?
Of course, smelling squishies.
Tiny. What did I use? You know? Okay, the next question. The question is tiny or big? Tiny? You know this book, right? It's a half of a heart. It's a macaron. Then the big one is this capybaras and slippers. And the next question is
cake or bread? That's my bread cookie.
Oh yeah, bread or cake? This is bread.
And of course,
there's no
bread. Because there's barely any cake.
Oh, give me the cake roll. Oh, I threw it over there and I thought I did.
Oh my god.
I need the cake.
Yeah.
Where's the cake? Hold on, I'm gonna go back. And this is my cake. Store or established. This is store. Right? Store, right?
Yes.
Yes, and I got this one too. Next question is chocolate and vanilla. So here is my vanilla. It's a basic.
The next question is
and my chocolate is
shopping.
Joking.
Oh my god.
What am I supposed to do? So
I know what to do. I'll tell you after. Wait. Okay. I would have to say established site.
Yeah.
Because it's more safe.
Okay.
The next question is
chocolate cat.
Vanilla. So
the next question
strawberry.
is package opening or squishy tag. I'm gonna have to say squishy tag.
Chocolate.
This is my vanilla.
Next question is squishy tags.
Well, this is another vanilla.